Today I will show my paper squishy collection and unboxing this sticker package. Sorry, it's too small. It's homemade too. Yeah. Sorry, this is only, there are 3 and it's so small. Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, let's get started and I will show my paper squishy collection that I made, yeah. So this is my paper squishy collection. Oh, sorry, the kitchen is up. And I don't forget for this. Oh, my paper squishy again. So I will show you all of this paper squishy DIY, yeah, without using foam, yeah. Only some stuffing like grocery bag or plastic bag like tissue and the pillow stuffing. Yeah, I will show you all of this. So my first day that I make some paper squishies, first is like this pillow. Yeah, it's not so good. The stuffing is plastic bag, yeah, this. My second paper squishy is yeah, this, I think is this. Yeah, this is, I mean, it's like a blueberry. Sorry, it's a little bit ripped. Yeah, it's a little bit ripped too. And the fifth on the paper squishies one is this. Yeah, this is, I made a kitsune. Yeah, its color is like orange and yellow. It's, yeah, it's like this. The stuffing is grocery bag too. Yeah, it not too slow rising. Yeah, and the fifth one is, yeah, this. A cat squishy, yeah, gray color. And I found a picture from the Google, yeah, so I'll make it. And the filling is, stuffing is grocery bag or go out. And the seventh one is the Neko cat, yeah. He likes to play flying with his friend. The name is the rabbit, like that's the 8th one. So being friends, yeah. This stuffing is not a grocery bag again, but yeah, but this is a tissue, right? So not too, yeah, not too fluffy, yeah. And this filling, it was like a pillow stuffing, yeah? And a little bit hard, yeah, like that. So the 9 of it was this pizza, yeah. I didn't really know how to make it, the pizza. There's some pepperoni, there's I don't know what is the name, and there are some mushrooms and there are kawaii eyes, yeah, so like this. The back of them is, there are no color, yeah. I love this one. I don't really like this pizza. I mean, I don't really like to eat pizza, right? And the 10th of it is this burger. Yeah, not too bad, yeah. The filling is grocery bag, yeah. I like it when the filling of them is a grocery bag, yeah. So like this, friends. Yeah. Yeah, so like this. And the last one is this French fries. I really like it because it's not too slow rising. I didn't have any foam, so I didn't make the paper squishy with the foam. I never make it. Yeah. No. And so like this. Yeah, a little bit hard.